We're going to talk today about two of the very best pool cleaners, very different, and I'm going to compare them so you can see all the differences, and you're going to want to watch the end for a graphic comparing the two so you can make a great choice about which one's best for your pool. We have the Aiper X1 ProMax, which is the Mega Beast from Aiper, and we have the Scuba S3 from Aiper, which is a fine race car type of machine from Aiper that is fairly new on the market, and it is very loaded with benefits and capable tools to help you keep your pool clean so you're not cleaning your pool on the weekends, you are enjoying your pool. Now this is what is the difference. Now the Aiper X1 ProMax, while it's higher in price, it is a water line, it is a floor, it is a walls, it is a ledge and stairs, and it is a surface cleaner. All of those tools in one big machine. Now it weighs in at 33 pounds, but it is all the machines included, so you don't have to also have a separate machine for the surface. I'm going to tell you more the specifics. You will be amazed about this machine. Now the Aiper S3 is the flagship scuba line from Aiper. Now it is fast, lean like a race car. It has a lot of great features too. We're going to go over those. Now it weighs in at 18 pounds, so it is much lighter, but it doesn't have the surface cleaning feature. But it is a beast of a machine as well. Let's get started. I'm going to tell you about these differences. They both were provided for me, for my honest opinion, from Aiper, and you can see what the packaging looks like here. They come in with a great deal of information in the package. Each one has an in-depth tutorial as well as a quick start guide. They both are operable on the Aiper app, which is excellent, by the way. If you have more than one Aiper machine, you can easily navigate through each of them, and they have really great graphics on the box to tell you a lot about the cleaners, so I always keep the box. Now let me tell you about the differences. We have a 200 watt for the Aiper S3 and a 300 watt motor for the Aiper X1. Now this is for any size pool, but will really address if you have a very large pool. You're going to want one that's bigger and has more capacity. Now they both have vertical baskets, which I'm very fond of because they come out very easily without having to turn the machine over. Now look at what the Aiper X1 ProMax picked up. Now I keep my pool pretty clean, but it still picked up a lot of fine details, and it has a mesh system, and these grids pop out and are interchangeable. You also get extra so you can keep running at all times. While you're cleaning it, you still have extra. Even this basket has a rolling grid on it, which is very helpful. This is a 6-liter basket. All right, big guy, you ready for your first swim? Here we go. You let the Aiper sit horizontal on the side of the pool for about 5 seconds. Turn it on. Select your cleaning mode. All right, here we go. Have a good swim. Let's see what's happening. He's assessing the pool, spinning around, checking out the landscape. You are seeing the 360-degree mapping adaptive FlexiPath 2.0 feature, where it scans the entire pool and adapts in real time for precise full coverage cleaning across all pool shapes. You have ultra-fine filtration and power with an extra micro mesh filter. It captures even the finest particles with superior efficiency. As you can see, the pool looks beautiful, and the Aiper S will vacuum the surface of the water. Look how it goes over the surface, filtering out anything that is debris or bugs or leaves. It's amazing. And then when it finishes its time, it will stay at the surface and go to the edge so it can be retrieved. What a smart, amazing device. I absolutely love it.
As a pool owner, it's always a challenge after you cut the grass when you have all of this stuff in your pool. That is why I have the Aiper Scuba X1 ProMax. Watch how it tackles this problem. It will vacuum my steps, my floor, my walls, the water line, and it will skim the surface. There it goes, off to its task. Watch it as it cleans this tanning shelf. Look how it climbs the walls, even the curved spaces. It hangs on there with those mighty gripping caterpillar type wheels. and that powerful motor pulls in the debris off the water line and the sides of the pool and retreats and comes back again in a systematic approach. Look at it climb the steps of this pool. 1, 2, 3 steps, cleaning each as it goes. That powerful, powerful grip that it has allows it to hurdle that step. Look at that guy go. And hold on to its grips, cleaning the debris off the steps, horizontally and vertically. That is awesome. I've never seen a cleaner do that. Look at it here, skimming the pool, retrieving the grass clippings on the surface, making the pool ultimately clean in a systematic, organized way on the surface of the pool. Look at that, beautiful, beautiful clean pool, beautiful blue water, and comes to the side. It's called retrawling, and it comes to the side so you can kick it out. You can even retrieve it with the hook that's provided, or just kick it out manually. Love, love, love the Aiper X1 ProMax. You can return it to its caddy where it sits in a slanted position like this, recharging itself, getting ready for the next cleaning. A coordinating caddy is available to help you wheel it to the place of your choice. With or without the caddy, it works great.
Now the Aiper S3, while it's a little smaller, is excellent. Look how easy that is to pull out. And the release trigger is right here. And now this has a unique feature with some of the newer Aipers, that it has a micron basket in here. Now this micron basket is super fine. It collects to even specks of dirt. And it also has the mesh system in here. So you can use this when your pool is really dirty and take it out and use the regular mesh basket when it's not. But I wanted to show you just all the fine dirt that it pulled up, and it is a masterful tool. I love the fact that that micron basket is included in there. A lot of times that's an extra upgrade for pool cleaners, but it's included with this one. And look how easy that slips in there. Both very easy to hose out and clean.
The Scuba S3 is an awesome cleaning robot. It's not really heavy, and it's easy to operate with one hand. Now, you just press the button and go, and you have 4 options. I love the Aiper products because you can use them digitally on the app, or you can just simply monitor them and press the buttons on the bright LED screen. Now, it boasts a 250-minute run time for in-ground pools, and the smart sensor navigation helps it not waste time. It works great on stairs, walls, shallow areas, floors, and water lines. You can see it's doing its adaptive path planning. It's better coverage for any type of pool. For walls and slopes, it has an optimized cleaning path where it learns the shape of your pool, and it uses that memory to clean it each time. One button control, it's easy to operate and very easy to rinse. You can operate it very easily on the app as well. Now, this is the most powerful lightweight class robotic pool cleaner. It's easy, portable, and hassle-free. It has 4 intelligent zone cleaning, shallow areas, water line, the wall, and the floors. It is very, very good on the stairs and the sloped and curved walls in my pool, and it's designed for all pool types. Now, my water lines are particularly challenging because my pool walls are curved, and I have a curved and sloped shallow area and a tanning ledge. It will run for 250 minutes for full pool coverage. It also has different modes, including an eco efficiency mode, offering clean options for the floor, the wall, the water line, auto, including everything, and a scheduling feature on the app. Now, I love Aiper products, and I have several of them, and I love the fact that the app can manage all of them in one place, so you can see what your pool monitoring system, maybe your surface cleaner, and your pool robot of choice. You can manage and schedule them all in one place. The Scuba S3 is an awesome product.
Now, the difference also is in the rolling mechanisms. Now, the Aiper X1 ProMax has big caterpillar treads, and it has 2 dual brushes here, and the Aiper Scuba S3 also has 2 dual brushes here. Now, they are smaller in size, but they work great. And it has a large inlet for the debris with an apron of silicone rakes here to help push everything in there. Very nice. And then the Aiper X1 has so many sensors, hundreds of sensors, that it really detects the dirt and it goes after it and retrieves it. It has a large, even larger debris inlet system that it can pick up leaves and fine dirt as well. So if you have lots of leaves, you might want to look at the Aiper X1. Now I have a pool that's wide open to leaves. It doesn't have a cover on it, and it has always sucked up every leaf that falls in my pool. It's really great with that capacity, and it has an apron here to pull in. It also has dual brushes here and caterpillar wheels. It has sensors on the side here and water filtration systems on the side to bring the debris in here for the surface as well. This cleans masterfully on the surface. These are jet propulsion systems here that propel the motor around on the surface of the water. And until you've seen one of these surface cleaners, you have really missed something, because it is amazing to watch it vacuum the surface as if it were carpet. It's absolutely amazing. And these are more of the jet propulsion systems here, and it also has a lot of sensors to detect the dirt. Now the Aiper X1 comes with an optional caddy, which I love because it's a charging caddy as well as it helps me get it to and from the pool, and it has a caddy cover that covers it completely. The Aiper S3 is easy enough to carry at 18 pounds, so I just carry that by itself. They both have rear-facing charging ports for your DC charger, which makes it easy to back it up to the wall when you charge it, and they have an easy, simple one press on the top to turn it on. They also can be run from the app very, very well. You can run it from the app or not, and they each have different modes for cleaning the walls, the floors, the surface, and the water lines, and this cleans the walls, the floors, and the water lines. Now be sure to watch to the end for a graphic that tells you all about all these great details, side-by-side bullet points, so you can compare them. Now let's talk about battery time. The Aiper X1 ProMax has 180 minutes compared to the Aiper S3 at 130 minutes. So the Aiper X1 ProMax is designed for larger pools. Now the Aiper S3 can do large pools too. It's just fast, and it is your better choice if you want to be very lean and efficient and you don't need the surface cleaned, and the cost point is less. But this beast here is a personal favorite because it does clean that surface. I can put it in there and everything is done. Each of them have different modes where you can clean different options, all or eco mode if you want to make a fast clean. They both have very high capacity batteries. Now, this is a great overview. I hope you found this helpful. There is much more on the graphic that you can screenshot and save. I hope you found this helpful. Please like this video and follow us for more from this great brand. Both of these were provided for me from Aiper, for my honest opinion, and I use them both. I love them. I know you will too.